Hello students of standard 5. Today we are going to learn chapter 2. I think our home is haunted. Part 1. Dear children, what is that? A little child says, a boy is here who says, I think our home. Whose home? Child saying to his mother, our home house is haunted. Haunted means some evil spirit is in our house. Some naughty spirit is in our house who does all the naughty work. So he is telling all naughty things is done by the spirit. Who is haunted spirit is living in our house. He says to his mother that our house is haunted. What do you like to do in your house free time? What do you have in your house? Like some electric items. In the bathroom you go and see something. In kitchen you see. In your drawing room you see some things are kept arranged. And suddenly that falls or destroyed. How you feel? Here you see some pictures are here in your book. Look at this boy eating ice cream and throwing all falling here. See here all the things are put upside down. Here ice cream is down. Here in the washing machine the doll is put. So he is telling this is all haunted. It is a spirit is doing. Some evil naughty spirit is there which is doing in our house. He says to mother. But in fact, he is the boy who does this all. And he doesn't accept. He says, Mama, this is done by somebody. I don't know. He puts down all the ice cream down. He puts down whatever in the house, things are there, here and there. See the bed, the mattress, the mat, everything he has destroyed. Everything he has spread down. Such a naughty boy he is. But he doesn't accept that he has done it. He says that our house is haunted. It is done by some spirit. And whenever works are done like this, when parents are not at home, they have gone for a work or for some other work out of house, then only the devil spirit works. So it is something very, very funny, he says. See, you say, does anything come to your mind as soon as you see these pictures? Tell your friends about it. It could be story, something that happened to you, or just in one line comment. So have you seen something happening in your house? Something falls with a strong wind, or somewhere something it shakes and falls, sometime with the earthquake, or you kept something and that disappeared. Suddenly it's not visible, it is visible some places. Do you feel? Do you feel frightened to be alone? That somebody is coming in the house? Is it? How do you feel? Are you frightened seeing these kinds of things? Yeah? Yeah, usually children, they cry, they feel very bad, they are frightened, scared to go alone or to sit alone, to be alone somewhere. Now, so this poem is about a naughty boy who is always playing and says that something happened by someone. He goes in the park, walks in the dirty, muddy water and comes back with the dirt in the house, and instead of telling, sorry mommy, I walked like this and made a dirty or mark of my foot, then he says, somebody has walked. I don't know. When you were not there in the house, somebody has done it. He is so cunning child. He is so funny. He says that it is done by somebody. In fact, he has done it. He has done it and he doesn't accept, doesn't admit that he has done. He blames that his house is haunted. It is done by somebody. Do you speak like this lie? Do you tell yourself? Children, telling lie is something different and having fun is something different. For fun's sake, sometimes you can move the things and tease and play and enjoy and have fun. But telling seriously lie to your elders, that's not good. So today I gave the introduction about haunted house. The child says that our house is haunted, telling to mother. See how dare that child is there, that he tells to his mother that our house is haunted. Even you will see in the poem last, he runs away. He goes to grandma and he writes the letter to mother that our house is haunted. I can't stay here. Everything is done by the spirit, which I don't know. But lie is a lie. You can't hide long time. When mother comes from the work, she finds out that was a lie. Understand? So children, please, if anything happens, you should not speak lie. You all are good children. Try to remain good and better we try to become. Don't become worse or bad. Okay? Being good, speaking truth is always a very, very good attitude and good value for life. Now onwards, if you speak good and speak truth, your value will increase. All will know with your good quality, good values, that this child is very good, never speaks lie, never harm others, never hurt others. He is a good child, she or he, no matter. But try to speak always truth. Truthfulness is very, very valuable today's life. Everyone, whether small or elder or bigger or older, everyone must speak the truth. It's always good for everyone. Sometimes to protect or save someone, we speak once here and there something small one. But later that also we admit it. So truth is always beautiful. Thank you children. We'll see you in the next class. Okay. Bye.